Hello everyone, and welcome to our English practice lesson. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to help you learn today. Learning English is a journey that we take one step at a time. Today, we are focusing on a very important skill for your daily life. We are going to learn how to ask for the bill, how to pay for your food, and how to say thank you in a restaurant. This is a situation that many people feel nervous about. You might worry about using the wrong words or not understanding the waiter. My goal is to make you feel confident. We will use simple words and speak slowly so you can hear every sound. Sarah and I will show you exactly what to say. Please listen carefully to our voices. You can repeat the sentences after us if you want to practice your speaking. Remember that practice makes perfect. If you practice these sentences today, you will be ready the next time you go out to eat. Let us start our lesson now.
Hello, everyone. I am Sarah. I am excited to practice with Mr. Only today. Before we start our big conversation, let me tell you about the setting. Imagine a nice, quiet cafe. Mr. Only and I have just finished a delicious lunch. We are sitting at our table and we are ready to leave. However, we cannot leave until we pay the money for our food. This part of the meal is very important. You need to know how to get the waiter's attention politely. You also need to understand different ways to pay, like using cash or a credit card. In this story, I will be the customer and Mr. Only will be the waiter, and then we will switch roles so you can hear many examples. We will use each other's names often so you know who is talking. It is going to be very clear and easy to follow. Let us begin our main practice.
Sarah, are you finished with your meal?
Yes, Mr. Only, I am very full. The pasta was wonderful.
I'm glad you liked it, Sarah. Would you like anything else? Would you like some dessert or perhaps some coffee?
No, thank you, Mr. Only. I am finished. I think I am ready for the bill now.
Of course, Sarah. I will get that for you right away.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah. Is there something else you need?
I just wanted to ask, Mr. Only, do you accept credit cards here?
Yes, Sarah. We accept all major credit cards. We also accept cash if you prefer that.
That is good to know, Mr. Only. I will pay with my credit card today.
Perfect, Sarah. I will bring the card machine to your table in just a moment.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I appreciate your help.
Here is your bill, Sarah. Please take your time to look at it.
Let me see. Mr. Only, can you help me understand this part of the bill?
Certainly, Sarah. Which part are you looking at?
What is this extra charge here, Mr. Only?
That is the tax, Sarah. It is added to the price of the food.
I see, Mr. Only. Thank you for explaining that to me. And is the tip included?
No, Sarah. The tip is not included in the total. It is optional, but many people leave a small amount for the service.
Okay, Mr. Only. I understand now. I would like to pay the bill now.
Great, Sarah. Here is the machine. You can tap your card here or insert it into the bottom.
I will tap it, Mr. Only. Did it work?
Yes, Sarah. It worked perfectly. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much, Mr. Only. You were a very good waiter.
You are very welcome, Sarah. It was a pleasure to serve you.
Have a nice day, Mr. Only.
You too, Sarah. Goodbye.
Now let us try the conversation again, but with a different situation. Mr. Only, let us pretend I am the waiter this time, and you are the customer.
That sounds like a great idea, Sarah. I am ready to practice.
Mr. Only, have you finished your dinner?
Yes, Sarah. It was excellent. I am very happy with the steak.
I am happy to hear that, Mr. Only. Do you want to see the dessert menu?
No, Sarah, I do not have room for dessert. Can I have the check, please?
Certainly, Mr. Only. I will go and print the check for you right now.
Thank you, Sarah. Also, Sarah, can we pay separately? My friend is coming to join me, and he wants to pay for his own drink.
Of course, Mr. Only. I can split the bill for you. That is not a problem at all.
Thank you, Sarah. You are very kind.
Here is your bill, Mr. Only. I have put the drinks on a separate paper.
Thank you, Sarah. Can I pay with cash? I have a $50 bill.
Yes, Mr. Only, I can take your cash. I will go and get your change.
Thank you, Sarah. I will wait here.
Here is your change, Mr. Only. You have $10 back.
Thank you, Sarah. Please keep the change as a tip for your good service.
That is very generous of you, Mr. Only. Thank you so much.
You are welcome, Sarah. The service was very fast today.
We try our best, Mr. Only. We want our customers to be happy.
Well, I am very happy, Sarah. Thank you again.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Have a wonderful evening.
Goodbye, Sarah.
Now I want to explain some of the phrases we used. When I asked Mr. Only for the bill, I said, "Can I have the bill, please?" This is a very polite way to ask. You can also say, "Could I have the check, please?" The words bill and check mean the same thing in a restaurant. Mr. Only also explained about the tax and the tip. Tax is money for the government. A tip is a small gift of money for the waiter. Now let us practice some small extra dialogues so you can hear different ways to say these things. Imagine we are at a fast food place now.
Sarah, how much is the total for my burger and fries?
The total is $12, Mr. Only.
Here is $15, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Here's your change and your receipt.
Thank you, Sarah. Where can I find the napkins?
They are right behind you, Mr. Only. Thank you for coming.
Now let us try a situation where there is a small mistake on the bill. It is important to know how to say this politely.
Mr. Only, I think there is a mistake on my bill.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that, Sarah. What is the problem?
I did not order this orange juice, Mr. Only. I only had water.
You are right, Sarah. I am very sorry. I will take the juice off the bill and bring you a new one.
Thank you for fixing that, Mr. Only. I appreciate it.
No problem, Sarah. Here is the corrected bill.
Thank you, Mr. Only. This looks correct now. I will pay with my card.
Thank you for your patience, Sarah.
Let us practice one more short one. This is for when you are in a hurry.
Mr. Only, excuse me. I'm in a bit of a rush. Can I pay the bill at the counter?
Yes, Mr. Only. You can pay at the front desk on your way out.
That is perfect, Sarah. Can you bring the bill to me now so I can see the total?
Here it is, Mr. Only. Your total is $20.
Thank you, Sarah. I will pay at the front. The food was great.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Have a fast and safe trip.
Thank you, Sarah. See you next time.
These are all very common ways to talk about paying. Remember to always say please and thank you. It makes the conversation very friendly. Mr. Only, do you have more advice for our students?
Yes, Sarah. My advice is to speak slowly. If you speak slowly, the waiter will understand you better. If you do not understand the waiter, you can say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Do not be afraid to ask questions about the money. It is your money, and you should know what you are paying for. Sarah and I have shown you that English can be simple and clear. You did a great job listening to this long practice today.
I agree, Mr. Only. You all did very well. Listening is the first step to speaking. The more you listen to these dialogues, the more natural the words will feel in your mouth. You can listen to this lesson again and again. Try to say the words at the same time as us. Try to use the names Mr. Only and Sara when you practice. It helps you remember who is talking. We are very proud of your hard work.
That's right, Sarah. We want to encourage you to keep going. Every day you learn a little more.
Today, you learned how to handle a restaurant bill. That's a big success. Thank you for practicing with us. We hope you feel more confident now.
Yes, thank you for joining us today. We had a lot of fun making this for you. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a wonderful job. We will see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye for now, everyone. Happy learning.
Goodbye. Have a beautiful day.